In this video, we're going to be looking at visibility rules and how we use them when making a second guide. Visibility rules work with tags and determine whether a topic will be hidden or shown at guide level. They are another way to choose which topics you want to show on your guide. For example, let's say you have a hot tub topic in your original guide, but as you don't have a hot tub in the property featured in your new guide, you want to remove this topic from your new guide without deleting the information for your original guide. The first thing you need to do is go to the All Guides page and click on the name of the guide you want to change and go to the Guide Content tab. Scroll down to the topic you want to stop showing in this guide and click the box with the strike-through eye icon. Now this topic is no longer visible only in this guide. Just bear in mind, as soon as you click the Never Show Topic option, the topic will disappear from your view. If in the future you need to change this, tick the Show Hidden Content box at the top of the page. Another way you might control visibility would be to only show information on one guide and not have any tags activated. For example, let's say you have a swimming pool at the property featured in your guide, but no swimming pool at any of your other properties. You want to show the swimming pool topic only on this guide and not add it to other guides. The first thing you need to do is to create the swimming pool topic in the Content Hub under your chosen category and make sure no tags are applied. Then you need to go to the All Guides page and click on the name of the guide you want to change and go to the Guide Content tab. And finally, scroll down to the topic you want to start showing in this guide and click the box with the open eye icon. Now this topic is visible, but only in this guide, no others. Just bear in mind that you'll need to make sure that the Show Hidden Content box is ticked at the top of every page, or you won't be able to change the visibility rules for this topic. Now, you should have everything you need to add your second guide and use the Content Hub to easily share content between guides and create custom content where information needs to be different. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact. And remember, you can find loads more helpful information in our knowledge base.